My dear precious, valuable viewers, I hope you're doing well. Today I want to explain Jolly Phonics Group 1, the last sound, last letter of Jolly Phonics Group 1. The letter is N and the sound is noise, noise. Yes, dear kids, it's a time for picture description. What you can see in that picture, one girl is here with her grandpa for fishing. Fishing is a good and healthy activity, and it is also a good thing to spend time with your grandparents. Okay, now what happened? What happened with the sparrows? You see the sparrows? They are frightened. Why? Because I think so. Here is an aeroplane, and they are disturbing with the noise of aeroplane. That's why Grandpa also put his hand on his ear. My dear kids, it's a good thing to disturb any creature of Allah. No, it is not a good thing. We never disturb them because they have also senses and they have a small heart. That's why we must care and look after all creation of Allah Almighty. Okay, my dear kid, what's the next? Yes, it's a story time. What is the story behind this sound and letter? The sound is well done. It was evening. Zara went to fishing with her grandfather. Due to healthy climate, colorful flowers you see here, yellow, red, and beautiful flowers, butterflies also here. Beautiful fishes and birds are here. You see here? Yes, there is a butterfly, red butterfly on green plant, and bees and sparrows. Now what next? Suddenly birds were frightened by the noise of airplane. You check the side of birds? Yes. We should realize the creation of Allah and not bother them. I already discussed with you. Okay, my dear kid, what's the next? Yes, it's a song and poem time. Hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, making lot of noise. Okay, dear kids, it's a very favorite segment of me. It's a word building. Dear kids, we make word by adding two or three sounds like a, an, s, in, sin, p, an, pan, ant, ant, ip, ip, nip, p, in, pin. So we revise all sounds which we already read in Jolly Phonics Group 1. Okay, what's the action behind this sound? You pretend you are an aeroplane. You pretend like an aeroplane. Open the arms like a wing and say, mmm, mmm. Thank you so much, my dear kids. I think so. It's enough for today. Inshallah, we will meet on tomorrow with next sound, next letter. Allah Hafiz. Take care.